Recently, EagerLED welcomed a valued customer from Kosovo. This visit deepened mutual understanding and laid a solid foundation for future cooperation. We accompanied the customer on a tour of our LED display showroom, production workshop, and warehouse, and introduced EagerLED's expertise in product design, production processes, and quality control. The customer expressed recognition of our overall strength. This visit gave the customer a deeper understanding of EagerLED. We will continue to uphold the philosophy of quality first, service first, to provide high-quality LED display solutions to our global customers. We will continue to uphold the philosophy of quality first, service first, to provide even higher quality LED display solutions to our global customers.